Hi guys. I'm just going to fill this canvas before using the other scraper to create a pattern. I really love how smooth the filler is. Unlike the texture mixtures I used in my previous videos, with this filter I don't have to rush and worry that it will get dry quickly. Now I can start creating the pattern. But it seems that I didn't put enough filler on the canvas. You can see a broken pattern in there, which is not really something I would like. I think I'm going to do it again and add more filler. However, it is not so easy to create a pattern with this, and I really have to be patient. I have seen so many people making this artwork which I've thought was so easy to do. This is kind of frustrating because I'm a little bit conscious with everything that I do, and I thought to myself, if you are making a pattern, you have to make it perfect. So I have spent so much time recreating the pattern and adding more filler, using a different scraper, trying different pattern. Using filler has its advantage when it comes to drying time, which I'm really glad that I have enough time to decide if I like the pattern or not. Since it's my first time doing this, I didn't mind trying all over again. I just want to learn how to use this filler. So I realized that I had to put a decent amount of filler on the canvas. My canvas should have a flat surface to make sure that when I scrape the filler, it will not bump on the frame of the canvas. And that I should have a lot of patience to take things slowly. So after so long, I have decided that I need to finish this, otherwise I will get crazy. And I left it overnight before painting. So the next morning, I started with the painting. I think this is what I like the most. It's so fun. And not like when creating the pattern, it was so really frustrating. But this is a really fun part. You can see a lot of imperfections on this artwork, but I'm happy with it because I had fun, learned to be patient, and with this experience I will do better next time, hopefully. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. I hope that you also like my artwork. Bye.